Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to use go, do, and play with sports. So you can see from the slide there how we use go, do, and play with sports. One of the exceptions though is go bowling. We've got go skiing, do gymnastics, play soccer. So take a look at these. So non-team sports with no ball use do. So for sports that don't use a ball and don't use any equipment or very little equipment, they use do. So do sumo, do judo, do taekwondo, do ballet, not exactly a sport, but kind of a sport. It's a dance. Some people would say it's a sport. English becomes easier if you can remember the rules. If you can remember the grammar rules. Just like speaking Japanese or any language. So how would you talk about these sports? Skiing, judo, basketball, karate, bowling, golf. So answer out loud, and we will see the answers in a moment. Plus, you can always leave your answers in the comments below the video. If you have other questions about English, please ask them in the comments below. We always try to read them. So we have sports, go skiing, go bowling, do judo, do karate, play basketball, play golf. But why? So sports ending with ing use go. So team ball sports, for team sports or sports played with a ball, you use play. Play basketball, play soccer, play tennis. Let's play tennis tomorrow. Are you free? Let's see if you understand. Which word goes with this sport? Kung Fu. So it's not a ball sport. It's an individual sport. You don't use any equipment that I can think of. Wonder what the answer is. So Kung Fu is do Kung Fu. It's a non-team sport without a ball. Often Asian sports, they seem to be individual sports, like martial arts. They're usually do. I can't think of any that is not a do. Do taekwondo, do karate, do kung fu, do shorinji kempo. So swimming, which word goes with this sport? Swimming. It's not a ball sport. So big hint, it is a sport ending in ing. The answer is go swimming. Did you get it? I hope you did. Go swimming. Let's go swimming on Sunday. So badminton, which word goes with badminton? And a big hint, badminton is played with a bird, which is kind of like a ball. So it's a ball sport. So which word goes with badminton? So the answer is play badminton. I hope you got that. Did you? So there are always exceptions in English, and here are two of them. I box and I fence. But I think if you speak English enough, eventually you'll understand even the exceptions. So try to learn the rules and then try to remember the exceptions. So thank you for watching today and listening. And please subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And if you'd like some videos that we haven't made yet, please answer in the comments below. Tell us what you would like to learn. Thank you very much for watching.